All right, good morning. Tuesday. It's been exactly a week since I last was on here trading. Um, Had a little bit of a road trip, a little bit of a celebration. So I was out for a few days, but we're back for the time being. No further trips or interruptions to the schedule. So we should be back. Turn this music down just a little bit. Perfect. All right. So what are we looking at today? Well, yesterday we had a pretty big move to the upside. We were within yesterday's range. That green is the high, the red is the low of yesterday's trading session. These blue levels are all 8-hour volume profiles, or volume profile point of controls from the 8-hour chart. You can see this 400, like 21,400 is a huge level. It's also the point of control of the overnight session. So that level is a big one I'm watching. Basically, can we hold this? Because we were kind of making, after the big move up, right, we started to break lower lows, right? This was the lower low, started to break that lower low, set a lower high, but then we put in a higher low and then a higher high. I would like to see a higher low, potentially around this like 400 level, hold that, and make a move back up towards like value area high, which would be a nice like 70-point move, potentially up to this level here, which would be about 100 points. So that could be really fruitful trade if it plays out that way. If I'm looking at some, oh come on now, some volume on the 8-hour, we do have some pretty big. If we can get above, like really between yesterday's high area, 500 to like 570 is pretty thin. I'll go move through there easy. There's a lot of like thinness in the volume up here. It's pretty interesting to see all that selling volume there and that big drop that we got. Pretty wild. Yeah, 4-hour, kind of making our way up, held and hammer on this pretty important level here. If we can continue that break higher, pretty much what I'm watching. If we break down below, like we make new swing lows, then that's over 100 points. That's like about 100 points away. Then I might start looking to the downside. We'll see. All right, market's about to open. Just about. I will keep it on 2 contracts for now. Like I said, I haven't been trading in them in a bit, so I want to jump back into what can be a very volatile market with high risk or reward. If we get a full-size move on 2 contracts, that's actually like exactly all I need. So kind of want to see the hold of 400 in a long position there. We'll see if we get it. Good, man.
Nothing much. What's up?
Not a whole lot. Happy to be back.
Yeah, that's cool. Saw you went to Tennessee.
Yeah, when I was driving my car back, I stopped in Tennessee for a night.
That's cool.
It's dope. Yeah, it was a fun time.
Nice.
How have you been?
Good, man.
Good.
Just chugging along. last week was actually pretty rough. Blew my account on Monday,
Hmm.
and then pretty much just took the rest of the week to kind of reevaluate some things, reset the brain. And now I am going to be posting every trade I take on YouTube from here on out.
Very nice. Hell yeah, dude. I mean, not nice that the account was blown, but
Yeah, I understand.
you're doing it for like accountability.
Yeah, pretty much. Just being able to go back and watch them in real time as well.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so you're recording them.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna be recording the entire sesh, and then whenever I take a trade, I'll post that little bit.
Nice. That's solid. Yeah, it's smart. I like that. I really like what I kind of wanted to see was a come down and hold that 400 and then potentially move up from there.
Okay.
It kind of got close. 404, 405, and now it's moving up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that, but we'll see. I like it to the upside today.
Yep.
Yeah, it's moving nice.
Can you hear that?
No, I'm listening to music though, so
Okay.
I don't hear anything coming from you. All right. quick here. I can get it. I think you might just. There it is. Damn, dude. Pretty much made. I wanted to see that move from 400 to 500. Already made it in the first 10 minutes of the day. That was kind of my whole idea. Is if it held 400, I thought it could move to 500, and it pretty much exactly. Opening move. Last week it did that to me too. It's like my whole plan for the day happens in the first like 10 minutes, and I'm like, all right, let's see what happens next, I guess. Inky was just blasting off. Well, I was bullish. I guess it's good to see it move in a bullish direction. AES is about to hit those highs. What up, dude? Yes, sir. I'm in way too deep, dude. I've been short since the open. I'm joking. Damn. It's cranking.
I'm inspired. I'm in a long, but not moving as well as in Q.
When have I heard that before? I was playing with you.
Sometimes it moves better.
Yo, I saw you post that scape clip, my boy.
hour session yesterday. Oh man,
You feeling it?
forward today, and it was good though.
That's definitely.
I felt young.
That's all. Yeah, that's awesome. You're nice with it, dude.
Appreciate you. I used to be pretty decent. Took a long break though, and then starting to get back into it.
I always liked skating. I was never good at it at all, but I always liked it and like enjoyed watching it. So when I see somebody who can skate well, I respect it. Just, I mean, I've skated enough to understand it's pretty difficult, and you eat a lot of shit. So
Sometimes.
at least that was my experience. My whole experience with skateboarding was like just eating shit, and I was like, wow, I think I'll let the people who are better than me deal with this. I'll ride a bike or something.
I'm gonna go to the
I
park
think it
later
kind
on
of
today.
translated from like growing up like that to trading, as in like you fail until you start to get good at it.
Yeah.
Same thing with trading, you fail until you start to get it.
You wanna go skate, Fully? What's up, Yvonne? I see you slip in here.
Hello, boys.
What up, man?
What's up, brother?
I'm scared to interrupt the story about skating again.
No, you're good.
Come on, it's fine. You can do it.
Yeah, that pre-market high is huge on SPY.
If it doesn't bounce here, I'm just gonna get out.
It's been a long time since I seen that clean chart.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to go higher. There it goes. Yes, still hasn't broken out. Huh?
Mhm,
Yeah.
mhm.
Struggling.
I feel like when it does, or if it does, everything's gonna pop NQ, especially because NQ's struggling at yesterday's high day as well. Touched it 3 times now.
Yep. We have news in 10 minutes.
Perfect.
I'm gonna size out.
There it goes.
Now you wanna go. Yeah, I'm gonna size out.
Yeah, my next target's 570. See.
Yeah, mine's 600.
Should move through this area pretty easily though. How fast I feel like the drop that we had. Maybe not. I guess that gap down was a few days ago.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
This is a gnarly move on NQ.
Yeah, I see NQ. I'm like, Spy struggling. NQ looks like it's starting to reverse a little bit. I want to be really careful with this account and this slow and steady.
Damn, it's so nice here today. It's only 74. Sorry, 61. Let's go.
Perfect, yeah.
Damn, man. This thing's just been moving. I haven't seen an entry really.
Look at that trade chat.
Yeah, it's very clean.
That snapshot.
It's crazy.
Weird, 'cause ES didn't have anything like that. Resistance at like 600. Had a nice gap fill. That big drop before the Monday open. Really good. That was yesterday though. Or like afternoon yesterday. Now it's gonna test it again.
Got that news.
Oh yeah.
I have a level right there at like that 570 area. If Enki rejects that, I could see it pulling back down to like 520, somewhere in there. Oh, well. Alright, what's next?
Got out a little too early.
Where's my next level? 650. If it gets there. Looks like the way it's been moving, holy shit. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna crank to 650 easy. Easy peasy.
Think so?
Wouldn't surprise me at all. I mean, I don't know if it goes there in like a straight line necessarily, but
Do you think we hit that before we pull back down to like 500?
I think it depends on how this breakout candle closes. Like this current 5 minute. The way this current 5 minutes looking, no.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to pull back.
I'll see. There's just not a lot of volume between like 570 and 650. Which is why I think that if it closes strong, then that'd be my next target. But for instance, if this 5 minute candle pulls all the way back under 570 and closes weak, then I would definitely not look to long it then. Until it forms a higher low. But yeah, definitely some selling going on at 600 as well. Good resistance there. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's due for a pullback. I wouldn't mind that. Yeah, I don't know. That's a pretty strong close. It's going higher. It's not cranked to 650.
That's what I'm saying. Right here is gonna have a little boost. Take
All
out
right.
the sneaky shorters. And then just drop.
What do you think, Yvonne? You think it tests the initial balance here at five? What is that? 576.
You mean that hourly candle close?
Yeah, the initial balance high, right?
Yeah, but I think they're watching it from where
The breakout?
market is open, so 10:30.
Ah. All right, never mind, dude.
So first hour of the market open, not that 1 hour candle, that regular one hour candle.
That makes sense.
But we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's kind of doing what I thought it would do. I just haven't seen any opportunity to get in. Not really any pullbacks. All right, so I go to 650. 650 the level. 653. And we'll see what it does.
Let's push.
All right, there's 653. What does it do now? I don't even know what's above this. Jesus. 744 is my next. 740, somewhere in there. This is a pretty good level right here. Kind of love to see it pull back and test like 600, hold it, continuation, essentially. I don't know if that's enough of a pullback to get what I want though.
That was nice.
I'm so scared if I do show my feelings for you. Need to know what you're feeling. 'Cause when I see you smile, my whole world comes alive. Can you feel me? You are there when I sleep, all up in my dreams, like a haunted memory. I'm afraid to admit, so afraid to commit to what we're feeling. Question, my love.
Yeah, I like the pullback to 600.
do business differently from the other guys. We design and test our own tools and sell them directly to you. No middleman. No folks in suits telling us to raise prices for the heck of it. Just quality tools you can trust at prices you'll love. Every aisle, every day. That's how we like to do business anyway. Whatever you do it for less at Harbor Freight.
Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby and text it to Luca.
Find it real quick. Send it to the click. Wow, the place is sick.
So I remember me and my brother Bubs went to Federal with my dad. He loved music too, so I listened to a lot of island music as well as classical, blues, soul, a number of different genres of music. And music really continued in the house. I love jazz and I love piano. So that's why I started playing professionally.
I'm not sure I'm gonna get a pullback ever. I don't know. Crazy day.
And I think
I'm trying to a short here with small size, risking high a day.
You know, Ryan, I took the short minute before you.
Nice. I like where your head's at, Ivan. Must be a smart guy.
I was quiet until I hit my first take profit.
Nice. Yeah, I just about hit mine. About 2 points off. See. I want to see it hit these wicks, and then my other take profits at like 600. Sounds good, man. Take care. Have a good day.
Later.
Better send pics of that fresh cut. Oh, he left.
We need to break this report on 1 minute.
Yeah. I don't like that wick to the downside. I just got, 2 points from my take profit and then went right back up. See. I still feel like it should hit 600 though. But could be wrong. This thing has been a rocket all day long. My chart gets so zoomed out. What just happened? Oh man. Yeah. Might tempted just to take a small loss here, not try to hold for the break a high day. Waiting on this 5 minute though. I want to see how this closes. I want to see some movement on the 1 minute. Give me a little drop. Give me a reason to stay. Looking like a reason. Keep doing that.
Yeah, looking like a reason. My runner is still in the play.
Yeah, anytime that we just wick down into that area and don't clear those wicks and then come right back up makes me a little nervous. Especially if this 5-minute closes strong. Didn't really close that strong, but I still don't love it. Now it's just looking kind of like a flag.
Damn, those wicks.
Yeah, I'm watching it closely. I don't know. I don't really like being opposite of the trend in the move like this where it's not dropping. I was kind of hoping for a pullback. The fact that it's just holding doesn't really make me like it. I think it still could drop for sure. I'm just the wick down into that area and then the hold, meh. I think I'm just gonna take a small loss. Took like $6 loss, pretty much break even. We'll see.
Yeah, very tricky. I don't like the hold on SPY of that 9 EMA on 5 minutes.
Yeah, Spies looks like it just looks like it's setting up for a bull flag, and honestly, Spies breaking out, and it looks like NQ's trying to break out. I'm not really trying to fade that strength right now. I thought it would pull back, and when it held, that made me a little hesitant to hold that position. But yeah, pretty much break even. $5. Whatever.
Yeah, I took my position majority out on that 1 minute support level.
Yeah. Yeah, mine was just under that at the one below it.
Yeah, I was so afraid of it, so I took like 26 points.
Yeah. Mine was
I
just...
take like 30, but I wasn't looking for reverse or something, just a quick trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I just kind of was looking at it. It looked weak around a level that I had, and I expected, alright, if this run's going to continue, it probably wants to pull back to like an area of liquidity. And there's a big area right at 600. So I kind of figured that that would be a logical pullback spot, but yeah, that would have stopped me out. Glad I got out. Sometimes you want to break your own rules. Much rather have like a 1 point loss than a 20.
Yeah.
I just kind of saw the writing on the wall there. Like you said, I didn't want to hold too long short against that move. I just thought we might be able to get a decent pullback.
Yeah, my idea was like quick pullback and that's it.
Although with this 15-minute about to close, it closes back under that level. If it closes weak, I might re-enter a short. So it'd be 3 15-minute candles all failing to close above that 653 area. Definitely watching that.
Oh, do you see that 10:38 1 minute candle?
Yeah, the high volume breakout.
Yeah, that was initial balance break.
Yeah, I'd need this 5 minute to close under like 53 for any consideration of it. Still could happen though. Not looking all that strong after that breakout. 5 minute, the breakout is pretty low volume.
Did you find your entry?
No, I waited and then it dropped. Yeah, I would already pretty much hit profit on partials. I don't know though. I wouldn't want to hold it if it holds this area in here, this same area that it held before. I wouldn't want to be in shorts. In fact, this might be a good area to look for a long position if it holds. I'm looking at the volume profile. A lot of volume coming in right at this level, so if it holds in here, it'd be worth a shot. I tried a long. Probably should have waited for this 5 minute to close though. Yeah, I don't know. This is probably gonna stop me out. It's not looking like it wants to bounce anymore. I think we're just in a little choppy zone here. Probably needs a bigger pullback before it does anything. Or it might pop, who knows, but after the last 5-minute close, I was hoping it would get a push. And there it goes.
Yeah, SPY is also looking tricky at the moment.
I thought it was gonna stop me out. It got like 1 point away, so we're still in it, but I think it's gonna stop me out here. Unless something miraculous happens. Well, that 1 minute looks pretty good if it can close the 5-minute strong here. I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind it. Keep going. Close strong. Do it. You dirty little dog. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That 1 minute is beautiful. Do it. Seriously. Went from 1 point from stopping me out to like I'm in profit now.
What was your stop loss?
27. And it was just based on, I just put it below all the volume nodes of like this consolidation.
Yeah, that's smart. I always do that when I can.
So I basically saw that like there's liquidity in there, but as long as it holds that high volume area, it should be all right. So I just put it right below that to where if it breaks, then it's probably going down to the next area around 600 or so. It just isn't giving me a pop though. The last 1 minute was nice. I want to see some follow through.
And what was your entry?
It's like at my entry right now. It's like 47. I have a 20-point stop and then 30-point and 40-point take profit. My first take profit's just below low a day. Second take profit's just above high a day. Or not low a day, high a day. And just above it pretty much. The lack of follow through after that 1 minute boost is kind of disappointing though. Looks like it still wants us. I don't know what it wants. Having a hard time reading it.
Eto me za minut, ne? Very crazy. Whenever you think it's getting stronger.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. And as soon as I say that, look, it gives me a reason to stay. It's teasing me. Thank you, brother. Have a good day.
Yeah, I have to go as well. So I hope you don't get stopped out. See you guys.
Thanks, guys. See you.
I'll catch you later.
See you guys.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna stop me out. The way it's sitting down here, I don't like it. I wanted to see a bigger bounce. It's getting off. There it is. All right. Pretty much one loss on the day. Just kind of got stuck in this chop, unfortunately. But I'm gonna just accept it. It is what it is. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I thought after these two closes it would be good, but we were not good, so. It sucks because Price did pretty much what I wanted. I wanted to see it hold 400. I wanted to see it go to 500. It did that, and then this was the next level. Went there, and then this was the next level. Went there, and I just didn't get any of this move up because it pretty much had no pullback except for this. And I didn't take this because we were stuck between yesterday's high and here, and it's like a 15-point range, and I didn't really want to touch that. It stops me out, and then it starts moving. That's diabolical. It's choppy. All right, I'm out of here. Adios. See you later.